Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to buy ETFs on Robinhood. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and sign into your account. Now tap on the search icon and search for the ETF you want to buy. Select the ETF from the search results to open its details page. Here you can review important information such as performance history, holdings, market data, analyst information, and other details before investing. Once you're ready, tap Trade. Then tap Buy. By default, Robinhood will ask how much you would like to invest in dollars. You can also switch to shares if you prefer to buy a specific number of ETF shares. Enter your investment amount. If available, you can also choose a different order type depending on your trading preferences. Now tap Review Order. Carefully check all the details, including the ETF name, investment amount, estimated shares, and order type. If you need to make any changes, tap Edit. Once everything looks correct, tap Buy or swipe up to submit your order. After your order is executed, the ETF will appear in your portfolio. You can monitor its performance, track gains and losses, and manage your investment directly from the Robinhood app. Remember that ETF prices can change throughout the trading day, so always review the details before placing an order. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.